Hi everyone, I'm Annie and I'm going to walk you through a solutions problem. So the question we have here is, a solution made by dissolving 91.7 milliliters of ethanol with a given density in 545 milliliters of water has a solute mole fraction of approximately 0.0494. So what we're going to do here is try and prove that by using the equation. So first here I'm just defining what the mole fraction is. We use chi of the solute to denote mole fraction. So what it is just the amount of solute in moles in a certain solution relative to the total number of moles in that solution. So then I'm going to write out the formula for the equation, which is chi of the solute is equal to the moles of the solute over the moles of the solute plus the moles of the solvent, which is the whole solution. There are a few things that we need to do before we can jump right into plugging things into the equation. All of the values that we're given are in milliliters, and we need to convert those into moles so that we can substitute them in. So first we're going to take our 91.7 milliliters of ethanol and multiply that by its density, because the density is grams per milliliter, which gives us grams of ethanol. Once we have grams of ethanol, we can divide that by the molar mass, which is grams per mole, and that gives us our value of how many moles of ethanol we have in the solution. Now we know that we have 1.5705 moles of ethanol in our solution. And here I'm just clarifying that that value in grams is the molar weight of ethanol. Next, we have to do the same thing with water. Luckily, water's density is 1 gram per milliliter, and we have milliliters, so that means we have grams. So we can just say that 545 milliliters of water is equal to 545 grams of water. Then we do the same thing, dividing by its molar mass to get the number of moles that we have. Now we know that we have 30.2442 moles of water. And then I'm just going to show again that this value here is the molar mass of water. Now that we have all of our values in moles, we can plug it into the equation. So here I'm just writing out that the 1.5705 moles of ethanol that we have, which is the solute, over that same value of solute moles plus the moles of our solvent, which is water, is going to equal the mole fraction. I can simplify this a little bit further by adding the two values in the denominator to get the total moles in the solution. Our new value of total moles in the solution is 31.8147 moles. I can then remove mole from the numerator and the denominator because they cancel each other out during division. After dividing, we finally have our answer for the mole fraction, which comes out to 0.04936, or about 0.0494, which is exactly the answer that we were looking for. This means we have successfully proven the correct answer using a calculation with the equation. Thanks for watching!